Okay children, now let us see altitude sine orthocenter of a triangle. What is called an altitude? Altitude of a triangle is a line segment from the vertex of the triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. Let us take triangle ABC, and from the vertex A, let us draw a perpendicular line to BC. What is called a perpendicular? A line segment which makes 90 degrees with the side. Now let us take protractor. Here you can observe 90 degrees. Now you have to fix the protractor properly so that the base of the protractor should coincide with the BC side, and if you draw a line segment that should pass exactly A. So let us mark the point now. So now you can observe it is coinciding with BC. The edge of the protractor is coinciding with BC. Now exactly 90 degrees is at A. That means if you draw a line segment from A vertex, it makes 90 degrees with the BC side. So let me mark here children. So here the point I marked here. Now let us join the point and A vertex. Now you can observe this is 90 degrees. Okay, already we have seen using protractor the angle. So you can observe this is exactly 90 degrees. Now this line segment is called altitude of BC. The another name for altitude is height. So it is perpendicular to BC from the vertex. Always remember two things, that whatever the altitude you draw, it should be drawn from the vertex and it should make 90 degrees with the opposite side. So in that way we have another two sides. One side is AB, another side is AC. That means we can draw two more altitudes. So let us draw them. Now if you observe AB side, to AB side let us draw perpendicular from opposite vertex, that is C. So I am taking another protractor. So I am fixing the protractor exactly. The edge of the protractor coincide with AB, and if you draw the line perpendicular, exactly it should be drawn from the C. So here I am marking, and exactly you can draw it. See, two marks I have pointed here, and this let me take this point as E. Now if you draw the line segment from vertex C to join CE, whatever CE we drawn, that is the altitude of AB. So here just now we have seen it is making 90 degrees with the AB side. The line segment is making 90 degrees with the AB side. In that way, let us draw altitude of AC also. So for that we have to take protractor, and we should ensure that the edge of the protractor coincide with AC. And here you can mark this point, let me take as F. Now if you join the line segment, if you draw a line segment, joins B and F, whatever the BF we get, that is the altitude of AC. In this way we have got three altitude. Altitude of BC is AD, altitude of AB is CE, altitude of AC is BF. In this way each triangle, every triangle has how many altitudes? 3 altitudes, one from each vertex. Okay, one from each vertex. So what about the altitudes in different types of triangles? So first here you observe, children, I have taken acute angle triangle. Why? Because you can observe clearly that angle A, angle B, angle C, they are less than 90 degrees. In acute angle triangle, if you draw the altitude of the base, so where it comes, let us see now. So here I am taking the protractor, I am ensuring that these two edges are coinciding, edge of the protractor and base, and the line exactly it passes through A. So I marked here. Okay, so this let me take as point L. Now let me draw the altitude. So this is 90 degrees. The angle between BC and AL is 90 degrees. So where is AL here? The altitude of acute angle triangle is interior. Now when it comes to right angle triangle, already AB is making 90 degrees with BC. So if you draw altitude also, exactly it falls on AB. That L point, it coincides with point B. Because AB itself is the perpendicular to BC, because this is a right angle triangle. Already AB is making 90 degrees with BC. So L and B both are same here. So L is nothing but B. Whereas in obtuse angle triangle, what is called obtuse angle triangle? A triangle in which one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. So here the angle is more than 90 degrees. If you want, you can check. So here we have got the angle. So it is passing like this. Okay, so here we get the angle 120 degrees. Now if you draw the altitude of this obtuse angle triangle, where it comes? So the condition is the altitude must be drawn from the vertex. That means 90 degrees it comes like this. So let us extend the BC to left side. If you extend the BC to left side, we get the extended side BC in this way. Then we can draw the altitude from vertex A. Now you can observe 90 degrees, and here it is coinciding. That means we need to draw a line from vertex A to join this point. So this is nothing but altitude of BC. Now where is the altitude of BC? It is exterior, because this is obtuse angled triangle. For acute angle triangle, the altitude AL is interior. For right angle triangle, the altitude of base is perpendicular itself. Whereas for obtuse angle triangle, the altitude of base is exterior. So these three things you have to keep in mind. So here the point of concurrence of three altitudes is called orthocenter. So it is called orthocenter. Orthocenter is nothing but the point of concurrence of three altitudes. So next, the altitudes of an equilateral triangle are equal. So here triangle ABC is equilateral triangle where AB equals to BC equals to AC. All the three sides are equal. If you draw the altitudes of BC, AB and AC, they are respectively AD and CF and B. They are also equal. That means we can say that altitude B is same as altitude CF is same as altitude AD. That means in the equilateral triangle, all the three altitudes are equal. But whereas in isosceles triangle, the altitudes drawn to equal sides. Here AB and AC, they are equal. If AB equals to AC, then whatever the two altitudes drawn to equal sides are equal. That means here we can say that BE equals to CF. All these proofs by using geometer software we can verify, children, all the properties. Next, coming to the orthocenter of acute angle triangle. Orthocenter of acute angle triangle is interior. Just now we have seen that for acute angle triangle, one altitude is interior. Similarly, all the altitudes are interior. That's why the orthocenter also it is interior, because for a acute angle triangle. Whereas orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex at the right angle. Just now we have seen for a right angle triangle, the altitude of the base we have got vertex. So the same vertex is the orthocenter of the three altitudes. Next, orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is exterior. Just now we observed that for obtuse angle triangle, one of the altitude we have got exterior. So obviously the orthocenter also we will have exterior. So these are the important points regarding altitudes and orthocenter. Now these properties whatever we discussed here, all those properties we are going to verify using the technical tools.